Okay, number 19. Second to the last question of the past bar exam 2024. So here we have the Regional Trial Court convicted Luciano of illegal sale of dangerous drugs. Luciano sought reconsideration. The RTC reversed its judgment of conviction and acquitted Luciano of the crime. Thus, order the for resolution in the accused motion for reconsideration, assailing his conviction for the offense of illegal sale of dangerous drugs. The prosecution did not file any comment, hence the motion is now submitted for resolution. After a perusal of the motion for reconsideration, the court finds merit that the prosecution miserably failed to overcome the accused presumption of innocence. For this reason, the motion for reconsideration is granted. The accused is acquitted in the criminal case for illegal sale of dangerous drugs. So ordered. The Office of the Solicitor General, OSG, questioned the order of acquittal before the Court of Appeals. The OSG explained that the RTC failed to comply with the constitutional requirements in rendering a valid judgment amounting to grave abuse of discretion. On the other hand, Luciano invoked his right against double jeopardy and argued that the order of acquittal is already final and not subject to review. Is the RTC guilty of grave abuse of discretion when it rendered the order of acquittal? Explain. Answer yes. The RTC is guilty of grave abuse of discretion when it rendered the order of acquittal. The prosecution must overthrow the presumption of innocence with proof of guilt beyond reasonable doubt. To meet this standard, there is need for the most careful scrutiny of the testimony of the state, both oral and documentary, independently of whatever defense is offered by the accused. Only if the judge below an appellate tribunal could arrive at a conclusion that the crime had been committed precisely by the person on trial. Under such an exacting test, should the sentence be one of conviction, it is thus required that every circumstance favoring his innocence be duly taken into account. The proof against him must survive the test of reason. The strongest suspension must not be permitted to sway judgment. People versus Dramayo, JR number 21325, October 29, 1971, 42 Scra 59. Section 16, Article 3 of the 1987 Constitution states, all persons shall have the right to a speedy disposition of their cases before all judicial, quasi-judicial, or administrative bodies. Here, not only delay is prone by the 1987 Constitution, but also the speedy disposition of cases. Section 21, Article 3 of the 1987 Constitution states, no person shall be twice put in jeopardy of punishment for the same offense. If an act is punished by law and an ordinance, conviction, or acquittal under either shall constitute a bar to another prosecution for same act. So that's it. That's my answer for number 19 question in the 2024 bar exam and political law. So we have only one question left. So hopefully tomorrow we can answer it and we can have another set of bar exam if you like. Thank you, good day, and God bless.